lawless. Or if it's a party and no link me, you know, long me no go outside.
For me, music is music, you know. You understand? And for me, when we do the Clockwork with him, for me it was all about getting back to the roots of dancehall. And I know Shams, and I say, you know what, Shams is a good fan already, man. And I shout him, and I say, yeah man, Bolt, don't say a word. Because I've known him for a while, and him just say a word. 2 days after that, I have a song. Some people call me and say, we say I do a project. And some people we call and say, oh, we do a project, you want to be a part of it? And them I say, yeah man, cool. But we just try to make people understand, say, we make good music, because there's a lot of video out for a lot of songs, them almost every song on Clockwork. People don't take me serious. They feel like it's just for fun. But I'm serious, music is something I love. If you follow my career, you know, say, I ever dance, I ever play music, I always around the sound. If you come party, you know me, always around the DJ then. That's just how I am. I love music and something that I want to do. So I always put my heart into it and try to push it. And I see the ding dong just drop the big song, man. Cuban.
No make me go off like Pam. Fidel Castro chain links Cuban.
Yeah man, big up Ding, you know. Ding, I'm my next brother. I always show me love, all the time. So big up Ding Dong, you see? I'm definitely going to miss the Olympics, but I'm going to watch it and just wish all my Jamaican athletes them all the best. The women of Jamaica finals can't miss me. I'm excited to see. Possibility of a 08 Olympics again is there for the woman. So I'm excited to see what going on there.